Hey guys, welcome to SolutionsRoom. Makeup products are pretty expensive, especially the ones that serve a purpose. For example, long-lasting lipsticks, which is why I've put this video together to show you how to make your ordinary lipstick last all day or night. No need to spend on those expensive lipstick brands from now on. Stay tuned. Step 1. You need to first exfoliate your lips with a lip scrub or just go natural with some sugar and a bit of honey. Give it a quick mix. This will get rid of any dead peeling skin. Now just wash it off and wipe gently. Step 2. Now apply any lip balm. I'm using the Vaseline lip balm, which also contains SPF. It's really important to protect your lips in any sort of weather, you guys. Step 3. Now apply any lip liner shade of your choice and then go in with your matching lipstick. Step 4, we're nearly there guys, I promise. Get a piece of tissue paper, keep it on top of your lips and apply some translucent loose powder. Just dab it all over your lips. Step 5. Finally, now apply a final layer of your lipstick again and say hello to long-lasting lips. It's as simple as that, you guys. If any of you have another method, then tell me in the comments below. I'd love to try out your way of keeping your lipstick staying on for longer. That's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Bye for now.